Hi, welcome. I'm Charlene. Do you ever feel like you have to have the perfect idea or the perfect plan before you can start being creative? I know I do. So today I challenged myself. I took some scraps with no plan, no idea, just me and my scraps, and I hit the record button just to see what happens.
And I mean, I had taken everything
My desk
off.
was completely
So
bare.
I was walking by one day and noticed that somebody had left this on my desk. Apparently, my desk is the catch-all for everything. So, I mean, I can understand why I got the little piece of scrapbook paper, but I don't know why I got the paint chips as well, but I did. So I thought, let's just challenge myself. Let's see what I can create with just this. And some glue, scissors, just your basic supplies. I am going to allow myself the challenge of using just some tea stain paper, okay, just to add texture to it. Otherwise, I'm just using these that were thrown up on my desk, okay? So the first thing I like this scrapbook paper, so that was pretty. So I don't know why, but I don't even have my regular supplies. So these are just scrap supplies that I have laying right next to me. So I'm just going to cut this. I think we're going to see what this can become, I guess, is what I'm going to challenge myself to see what I can create. Okay. Not saving that. Let's see. These scissors are really old and sticky. Okay, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this, glue this straight on here. Just going to knock that out real quick, so. Normally I would just sew this, but we're just going to see about not sewing it. I like that, so. My desk is still pretty much bare. That's why I don't have hardly any supplies next to me. These are really old scissors. I think it's time to get, these could probably go in the trash, these scissors. Oh, they're good for glue though. Okay, so yes, I got that on the back. Okay. So that's one thing I wanted to do. Let's go ahead and I'm going to put these on the back as well. Is that enough? It's a little short, so I'll do it up here. Okay. I know I'm using a lot of glue, but that's just me right now. Okay. These are kind of hard to see. I'm blended right in. Alright. Try cutting these out. Alright, actually done with that paper. Alright, so what I'm thinking is these are going to be tags inside of a tag, is what I'm thinking. We'll see though. Ugh. These scissors. Sorry, hopefully you guys can see. Alright, that's a little rough on the top. I'm not even going to use string or anything like that. I may come back later and add that, but alright. Now we're going to take, see how uneven that is? I've got to straighten that up. Let's see, scissors. So what I'm going to do is put one here in the front, make these into pockets. If you notice, I didn't even measure this. I'm just assuming it fits. It actually does. You know what? I think I'm going to cover that. I was thinking I was going to come up and let it show, but I changed my mind. Okay, so pocket number 1 done. My bad cutting right there. Let's do that on the back as well. All right, put that down. Pocket number 2. Can't believe how perfect that was. These random scraps on my desk. All right, and the last thing I want to do is grab my tag shaper thingy, and we're going to cut the corners. I didn't even grab any of my Distress Oxides or my inks. I'm just winging it, okay? And for this, I'll do the one at the top. There we go. Got a little bit of scraps here going. And that was it. 2 tags, and we will put one in the front. This one says Foghorn. I kind of like that. And then the one in the back says Respite. Oops, I put that one upside down. Does that matter? It says Peppery, but it's upside down. Oh well. And there we go. It's a double-pocketed tag. Double-pocketed tag. That quick, that simple. Just came up with that on the fly. I would probably love to fix that Peppery, but I mean, I could turn it around. Let's see. Let's go ahead and turn it around and take that glue off. Let's just fix our mistake, right? I don't have my glue eraser because nothing's on my desk, so I'm going to fix that. Reapply glue. New view. There. Quick, simple fix. No big deal. Put my tag in, making sure all the glue's... There we go. Perfect. You can add a little eyelet right there. So it's a tag with 2 tags inside. Double pocketed tag. Isn't that cute? Thank you guys for joining me. Have a blessed day.